Hello, today we will be learning about the different modes of operation for the Burr Oak Tube Bender. The Burr Oak Tube Bender is a large manufacturing machine that pulls and straightens a certain length of metal copper tubing, then bends it into a hairpin shape to be used later in the production of heating cores, evaporators, and condensers. This tube bender has two main modes of operation, manual and automatic. In order to safely operate the machine in manual mode, or to run the machine automatically, a list of initial conditions must be met or the machine will not function. The guidelines are: the pump must be powered on, the bend head must be returned using the bend return button, the strip cart must be returned with the strip return button, the cutoff carriage must be retracted with the carriage return button, all safety guards must be closed or in the correct position, the air feed switch must not be on 0, the machine must have oil in the lubrication tanks, the filters must be clear, and if the machine is equipped with out-of-tube sensors, these must also be clear. Make sure these conditions are met and then continue with the rest of the lesson. Now, let's learn about operating the tube bender in manual mode. Refer to the lesson on machine setup and perform the general daily maintenance for the tube bender. Power the machine on with the main power switch, press the master start button, press the pump start button, and the manual mode should engage automatically. Press the blue manual button if the automatic start does not engage, or if entering manual mode from automatic mode. Press the extend carriage button to extend the cutoff carriage. Hold the feed button until the tubes stop at the end of feed sensors. Press and hold the clamp and mandrels in buttons to secure the tubes while you press the cutoff button to cut the tubes. With the tubes cut, we are ready to bend them. Hold the clamp and mandrels in buttons, then hold the bend button until the bend is complete. Then release all three buttons. Press and hold the strip button until the tubes have been pushed from the bender into the catch pan. Fully retract the strip cart by holding the strip return button. Finally, press and hold the bend return button to complete the cycle. Now, let's operate the machine automatically using the control panel. Verify the machine is ready to operate by reviewing the initial conditions stated at the beginning of this lesson. Once these conditions are met and the machine is energized with the master power and the pump start buttons, press the automatic button and then the cycle start button to begin the automatic cycle. Sometimes you will have to troubleshoot the machine. It is safer and easier to troubleshoot certain parts of the machine without tubes, and you won't be wasting any material either. Running a cycle without tubes is called a dry cycle. To run a dry cycle, turn the pressure to the feed belts off using the remote air feed control switch and pull the tube out of the machine and feed belts. Check that all initial conditions are met and continue with the dry cycles using manual mode. Before we're done, let's go over some evaluation criteria for the operating modes of the Burr Oak Tube Bender. The operator correctly identifies when the machine should be used in manual mode. Know how to operate the machine in manual mode and to use it during machine setup or a dry cycle. The operator correctly identifies when the machine should be used in automatic mode. Know how to operate the machine in automatic mode and to use it after the machine setup for a complete run of parts. That's all you need to know about modes of operation for the Burr Oak Tube Bender. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your supervisor or coworkers for guidance, and thank you for your contribution toward making Red Dot a better company.